I am a huge fan of AWS, but I'm really disappointed the way they are pursuing this generative AI and the way they are unable to compete in the market as of yet. As you know, generative AI has taken the world by storm. Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content and ideas, including conversations, stories, images, videos, and music. It is powered by large models that are pre-trained on vast amount of data and commonly referred to as foundation models or base models. But when it comes to AWS, the services are really lagging behind. If you look at your screen, these are just the three services which AWS has on offer, and one of them, the Bedrock, which is basically the most promising one, is still not released. Whereas the other two, like Amazon Titan models and the Codewhisperer out there. Codewhisperer is good, and it is just simply an AI coding companion that uses foundation models to improve developer productivity by generating code suggestions in real time. It is good. I have also another video where I have given you the demo, but it is similar to various other products. Then we have Amazon Titans. So this is basically the TRN1N instances powered by AWS Trainium and EC2 INF instances. So these are also generally available, and the uh, the thing is that these Trainium instances offer best-in-class performance for model training, and the customers across all verticals can use it. Now, looks good, but similar to other products, and I'm not sure this is a use case or usable for most of the general purpose community there, because not everyone is out there to write and create their own models. Okay. Now the most exciting service is the Bedrock, which makes foundation models for various generative AI use cases available via an API. So that we could use these foundation models for text and images, including the Titans model, uh, to be embedded in our applications. This is where I think AWS can make a difference, but the problem is it is still not released generally. So I hope that AWS picks up their game, and instead of just telling us that we can get started with Gen AI today, which we cannot, they really go out and release this Bedrock service as soon as possible, because the other competitors like Google, Microsoft, and heaps of others have already way ahead in the race. So wake up AWS. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.